In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method on your GoDaddy website through a full step-by-step tutorial. Whether you're setting up your online store for the first time or simply updating your existing payment options, this walkthrough will help you seamlessly integrate payment methods. So, let's get started right away. First, open your web browser and navigate to the GoDaddy website. GoDaddy is a popular platform for purchasing domains and managing website services, making it essential to know how to access and update your store settings. Once you're on the home page, look for the Sign In button at the top right corner. Clicking on this will prompt you to enter your login credentials. Make sure you have those handy to help move things along. After logging in successfully, you'll be taken to your account dashboard. From here, locate the My Products section. This is where you will see a list of all your services and products associated with your GoDaddy account. On this list, find the online store you wish to update and click on it. Next, you'll see an Edit Website option, which will take you to your website's customization page. It's essential to navigate carefully through these pages to ensure you select the correct options for your specific needs. Within the editor, look for an option labeled Store. Clicking on this will guide you toward managing various aspects of your online store. Within the Store menu, you'll find the Online Store option. Select this to access more specific settings related to your store's operations. Now scroll down and find the Payment Settings section. This area is crucial as it controls how your customers will pay for the products or services you offer. Here you will see various payment methods you can set up. Start by clicking on the Settings option next to Accept PayPal. Enter your PayPal email address to link your account. This will enable PayPal as a payment method for your customers. Once you've added and double-checked your email, click on Save to ensure your settings are updated. Following this, you'll want to include any offline payment options. Again, locate the settings next to Accept Offline Payments. Here, you can enter details like bank transfer instructions or other offline methods you'd prefer to offer. Input all necessary information, double check everything for accuracy, and then click Save to apply these settings as well. Finally, to confirm everything is set up correctly, look for the Preview and Publish button on the main editor page. By clicking this, you'll see a preview of your live site and the changes you've made. If everything looks good, publish your modifications and your new payment settings will go live, ready for customers to use, and there you have it. This comprehensive tutorial should help you confidently manage your GoDaddy store's payment methods, ensuring a smooth transaction experience for both you and your clients. Thanks for watching and happy selling.